Another thing that you miss an opportunity on without having an estate plan is you could potentially end up paying higher taxes. This definitely applies to like estate taxes. Washington has a very low threshold where you're having to pay estate taxes based on values of property and investments and all that kind of stuff. And if you don't plan for it, the exemption in Washington for estate taxes, if you're a married couple, it's a use it or lose it kind of an exemption. So if you're a married couple and say a husband passed away, you're not going to pay estate tax on the first passing typically. It'll go to your spouse. But if you don't shelter that exemption for the deceased spouse at that time, it's gone. You can't use it later. Your surviving spouse can't come back and say, well, I didn't use my spouse's exemption when he or she died. I want to use it now. In Washington state, that doesn't work.